Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out something small but super powerful. This is the Godox X3 Pro, the newest flash trigger from Godox, and honestly, this one looks like mini smartphone for your camera. It's tiny, clean touchscreen, and perfect for photographers who wants fast workflow. So today, I'll unboxing it, test it, and tell you if worth buying in 2025. Let's go. Inside the box, you get the X Pro trigger, a USB-C cable, manual, and a pouch. And it's very simple. And look at this. Wow, the design is so sleek. It's like a mini Godox flash commander with a touchscreen. I love how compact it is. It looks amazing on top of the Sony A7R Mark III, A7C, or any small body from the Sony lineup. This is the first Godox trigger that really feels modern. Touchscreen, fast menu, no complicated buttons. And if you want the X2T or X Pro, this one is a big upgrade. The UI is clean, and the knob is so smooth to adjust power. So this version I have is the S mount, or for Sony version. It connects instantly to my Godox lights like 8200, 8600, V1 or TT685, and anything else Godox like 2.5 GHz. Just pick the group, adjust the power, and done. That's why I love the Godox. Everything just works. Let's try a quick photo test. I'll use my Sony A7R Mark III plus my Godox V1S. Tap the screen, adjust the power, trigger, and boom. The response is very quick, and because it's touchscreen, changing the group from A, B, and C is so easy. No need to click so many buttons. For me, the main reason to buy this is the speed and simplicity. If you do portrait photography, product shots, studio, or even outdoor with off-camera flash, this is perfect. It's small, it's clean, it feels premium, and it doesn't look ugly on the top of your camera like the older triggers. This is for any shooters using Godox flashes. If you are new for flash photography, this makes your learning faster. If you're already advanced, this makes your workflow faster. Should you buy it? For me, yes. This is the best Godox trigger right now. Touchscreen plus compact plus modern UI plus simple controls, equivalent to perfect combination. So that's my quick unboxing and test of the Godox X3 Pro. If you enjoyed this vlog, please like, share, and subscribe. And comment below if you want me to test this with more Godox lights. Thank you. See you on the next vlog.